Hello friends, so today we will learn how to share the page access to anyone. If you wanted to share your page, Facebook page access, and how can we do that? Okay, so in order to share your access, we need to go to the Facebook. Sometimes we have so many pages and ask someone that if someone is ready to manage the page, right? So at that time we need to share the page access to anyone. So for that we need to go to the page, then click on here. So yeah, this is our page, right? And I wanted to share this page to my advertiser or anyone who is advertising on the behalf of me, right? So at that time we need to share the page. So let's see how can we do that. But before that, make sure that the person who is accessing or who is asking for the page access must be in the friend list of yours. Okay, so ask him to send the friend request first to your profile. I have another account, so I send the friend request using that account. This one is, I accept the invitation or the request, then go to the page, and now we can see like here you need to click on this page status. The whole setting about the page will be active here, and when you scroll down you can see a tab, there is page setup. Okay, so after clicking on this you can see here page access. Okay, so click on the page access, add new. Here you need to put that person name. So you can see this is my account. Click on that. So what type of access you wanted to give that person? Content, messages and calls, community, ads, insights, everything. So you can filter out what type of access you just wanted to give someone. For the content, if you want, you can just select this one and then give access. But if you want that user should interact with your page with the full control, like he can change the content, he can messages, he can create the ads, he can see the insights or create the reports. So give the full access. Okay, then click on the give access. At that time you need to confirm your password. So after giving the password, the access will be given to that particular person profile. So from their side you need to accept the invitation, and then only it will be appear that this person is also have the access to your page. Okay, so that's it friends, this was in this video. Thank you.